So if your doors on your truck rattle or they don't shut out the way, this portion here may be wore out. So the old one, the original one, looked like that. You know, the part completely gone. I don't really like the shape of the new one they have. It's kind of got more of an angle to it, but if you want just the complete new set, it's for the Ford Dorman 38448 auto parts store probably have it. But something you can do also, just for $2 or $3, is the striker bolt bushing kit for Fords, and you just pick whichever one fits, and what you'll do, put it on there. You'll screw it into there. Put your little retainer plate, insulator, washer, whatever back on it. And then you'll put it in here. Now, notice this moves. There's some adjustment in that. It will tighten up, and your part's going to be like that, but you're going to have to get this in the right spot for your door. So before you take it off, you probably want to mark around it with a pencil or something so you can get it back in the same spot. A little trial and error there. But anyway, cheap, easy fix for doors that rattle.